We are here in the HMD's part outside of the MWC, actually close to the Hall 3, and we got for a brief test and unboxing the Nokia True Wireless. As you can see, the box reminds me a little bit of Wedding's packaging. Check it out. And let's see it. You already know what this is. So they are ultra-light, 5 grams per each earbud, up to 16 hours battery life with portable charging case, and gives you high-quality audio and voice, and it's sweat and splash protected. So let's just unbox it. I'll put some photos later on. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Okay, so this is the charging port. Nice Nokia logo there, made of aluminium. You put them inside. There is nice mechanism. Let's see the buds. Oh, actually it turned around. Just a moment. Okay. Oh, they look quite nice. This is the button to start them. Oh, sorry. And there is the other one. Okay guys, this was the short unboxing. See you later.